Hello everyone, I know that's not a 3D printer video, so what I'm doing today is still engineering video, and that's what I do a lot during my days. It's improving products. So this is the Spark Trixx from Seadoo, and I was not happy this summer. I just bought it basically, and I was not happy with how loose a lot of components are. I spoke to people on forums, and it looks like that's considered normal, which is not my kind of normal anyways. So because it's not my kind of normal, I'm gonna disassemble this. I already removed the bucket. This is IBR bucket, and I'm going to disassemble it and see what I can do, what I can improve. Bucket was loose. Like when you start the jet ski, it's wobbling like a 110-year-old grandma, which is not my kind of grandma anyways. So not the grandma I would like. So basically what I'm trying to do is to see what kind of tolerances can be improved, and it looks like there is a lot that I can improve actually, considering I have a plate in my garage, I have a laser, I have a CNC mill, a lot of stuff I can actually machine, and maybe even produce a bundle for you guys, like an ultimate upgrade bundle, which is I'm already doing, because as you see here, the marks, this I was actually measuring EVA foam. I want to do a thicker foam. Everything on the market again is like very thin, which is, again, it's cheap. Yeah, it's cheap for people to buy that foam and sell it for profit, but I want something good. Because I want something good, I'm gonna use 10mm EVA foam myself, and I'm gonna do it and possibly also put it on the market, because I don't see any offers of this kind of quality. Anyways, back to business. So this bucket over here, it's an IBR, intelligent brake reverse. It's being held by this handle. Tolerances are not horrible here, but there is a lot of little connections that all add up, and when you start the engine, everything starts like shaking and wobbling like it's about to break. It does not sound to me like a working, nicely assembled product. I understand, it's a budget sort of budget jet ski, and because it's a budget jet ski, they have to focus on profits and stuff like that. Normal corporation stuff. So not surprised. Also, nothing special. It's not bad. It's just what we live with all the time. Anyways, that's just reality how products are made. So, which is why we are here to improve it, right? So what I'm seeing here basically is this adds to a lot of wobble. This is casting. This is not CNC machine. This is casting. Obviously, when you do casting, you have to allow for a lot of tolerances. And what happens here? This is what's wobbling. This is 1.5mm wobble over here. My immediate idea I may actually use nylon rings over there, and if not, just to make it better. During mass production, it's gonna be really difficult for Seadoo to do it. Don't blame them. I don't blame them. But each of you guys, if you want to improve, if you're enthusiastic about motorsports, water sports, this can actually be improved, and really not difficult. You just need a bundle, which doesn't exist on the market. I was searching for it. Nobody does it, which is why I may actually do it. When I do something, I always do it not just for myself, because it's a lot of effort just for one person. Very often I actually launch products to the market as well. So what I'm gonna try to improve over here is this. This is a lot of play. Also, I have a steering plate. I spoke to folks in the group, Florida Ski Riders to be specific, on Facebook, and people actually say that that's normal. So when you ride a jet ski, no matter how straight your steering in front, there is still like play over here. And again, I don't know, that's my first jet ski, I'm just an engineer, but this doesn't sound right to me. This is not supposed to have this play. I'm 100% getting rid of this play. This has to be fixed. However, this play the problem is somewhere inside of the jet, so I'm gonna have to take the top off and see what's going on over there. I already checked in the steering column. It's not this play is not related to steering column. This play is related to somewhere inside. Over here it's also something to be improved. Possibly it's a joint. It has a little play, but not that much. I mean, this is 2 millimeters. This is a lot of play basically. So that's what I'm getting rid of. Another reason for why it's actually rattling so bad is this. This all is assembled. It's like without, like, this is not a performance part. This is not a $100,000 jet ski as well. So we have to understand, again, no blame to Seadoo, but this is like 2 millimeters here. Actually, 2.5. This is 2.5 millimeters. This is huge play, and it's just not good. It's gonna wear your parts faster. In order to do it right, actually, you're gonna have to shave off a little bit of this casting over here, because I'm not sure why they did it this way, but there is like bumps, 2 bumps over here. It has to be flat on that side, and also has to you have to do some washers. You could do washers, so you could just, maybe I'm gonna just remachine the bolt over here and make it different shape, so I don't need washers this way. But again, you can improve this hugely. I mean, improving this is gonna, like, you can do a lot of like significant improvement in this section as well. So yeah, that's basically what the video is about. That's what I'm doing. Little update from my channel. I may actually I don't do a lot of 3D printing stuff anymore, because yes, I did produce the hot end. It was a success, still is, you know, it works, it sells. I need some challenge. I need some challenge, so I entered this water sports hobby. It's really so much fun. I love this jet ski as well. It's like, it's amazing. It's not like any other jet ski. It's like, because I'm so skinny, I am light, the jet ski is light. I like this stuff. I drive Tesla as well for the same reasons. Model 3, the smaller car, fast car, quick car. This is kind of resembles it. Unfortunately, it's gas engine, but there is no way. I actually tried to see if I could, you know, remove the gas engine and put electric in it. However, unfortunately, at this point, the battery technology and everything is not gonna worth it. I don't think this has to be done just yet. We have to wait maybe like 5 years and see what you know, what kind of batteries we can get, what kind of motor efficiency. So electric is a no-go. I did my calculations. I, you know, researched this a lot, and just not a time yet. It's not worth it. You're not gonna get a powerful jet ski this way, unfortunately. And the battery charging, you know, it's gonna be pain in the ass, so to speak. So yeah, the VTS over here also has this little what do you call it? Bushings. It's not bushings, like it's this plastic cylinders over here. These also can be improved quite a bit. They are not the right size. They're a little smaller, much safer, you know, for mass production. But again, 1 millimeter you can add over here. So speaking of all these modifications, if you do all these, what is it, like six to 8 modifications, that's gonna make a huge improvement in the whole section over here, plus the steering. That's what I'm gonna do next. Basically a little update. If you guys are interested, you know, leave me a comment, ask me questions. Should I update you? Should I shoot another video with my progress? I'm planning to actually do all of this on this week probably. I'm just gonna get to my drawing board right now. I'm gonna remove this part and this part over here completely, so I can go home. It's gonna get dark. It's gonna be no mosquitoes. I'm in Florida, so, and I'm just gonna play with it at home. Basically, yeah, that's it for this short video. As I said, if you guys are interested, have any questions, more than welcome to post. That's a jet ski, by the way. That's how it looks. 2022 Seadoo Spark Trixx. I already attached one foam pad over here. I am actually measuring this as well. Going to show you if you're interested. Again, in a little bit